Grab those resistance bands, step in the center of them. Hip, knee, ankle lined up as usual. Feet are going to be perfectly straight. Put it in the center of your foot, the resistance band. Have your hands turned out this way. Hold on to it nice and strong. You want your elbows slightly bent, not locked. Shoulders are back and down, chest up. You want to look straight now. We're going to go one arm at a time. Go ahead, come up. See how her wrist is lined up with her shoulder? That's where you want it. You don't want it out here in too much. And you don't want the arm wobbling around, bending, nice and strong and steady. Just slightly bent, arms stiff. Her knees aren't bending back and forth. Now, the way you know how far down you come is you just want your hand to come right on your side. Right when it touches it, bam, you come right up with the other arm. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Abs are nice and tight.